Hi friends, I'm Katie Pinson, Advanced Team Leader with Usborne Books and More, and I'm also a Classical Conversations mom and tutor. I have two boys, and I also have tutored in different capacities for a while now. I love science. I love that we can come to community once a week and learn a lot about science too. So I want to show you some resources that Usborne Books and More has for the science strand. Now this year in Cycle 1, we know there's a lot to talk about. We've got rocks, we've got weather, we've got animals, we've got plants, and there are an abundance of resources. I will not be able to show them all, so make sure you check them out at www.katiesbookmark.com or check with your consultant if you have one. So let me show you what I do have. I have this Rocks and Minerals books. Now this is an old cover, but there's a new one. It's a great resource. It shows a bunch of different rocks and minerals and just goes through them. I love to have this on hand for when my boys find rocks. It's just a quick guide. Then we've got weather. Okay, let's talk about Lift the Flap books because there are so many great ones for CC. This is Wild Weather. It's one of our newer ones, and I think it's awesome. There are over 50 flaps in just this small book. Look at that. Our flap books are fantastic, super high quality. They are an overlay on the page. They're not just glued or stuck on. So this is a great resource to have. Another one of our fantastic Lift the Flap books is this Look Inside Our World. This is probably in my top 5 of our books, of our, not books, but our, well, maybe our books, but this definitely our Lift the Flap books. I love how these flaps are cut. This has over 80 flaps in it. And one of my favorite pages is this one. Look at how this whole thing flips down and you can see the ocean. We also talk about the ocean this cycle as well. And there's 100 things to know about the ocean. This is a newer book as well. I love these facts books. They're super colorful. They're flexi binding, my favorite binding. And you can see there's just 100 different facts about the ocean in this. So fun to add this to your homeschool day. I love to do these kinds of things like right when we start the day to just learn something new right off the bat. Then we talk about nature and plants. And this 100 Things in Nature is a great one to just have around the house. And for nature walks, it just shows lots of pictures of things in nature and names them. We also have 1,000 Animals. Another gorgeous one. These are hardbacks. They're big books. They're board type books. And so these are super durable. Again, 1,000 animals in here. Love to have these around the house and to take them with us. Another great animal book is this one, World of Animals. This is like our encyclopedias, if you're familiar with those. Same kind of format, 2-page spread, bite-sized information, internet links that take you to safe sites so you can do more research. I love the real pictures in this and also the graphics. And I love that this one can also be used with geography because it shows the regions that the animals are in. Love this book. Again, flexi binding. Then biology. Gotta love biology. This gorgeous, again, another Lift the Flap book. You can see this is bigger than the other ones I showed. And this is a fantastic book about biology. One of my favorite pages in this book is right here, the Tree of Life, which shows everything from bacteria to mammals. It has Lift the Flaps for all of these different things. Gotta love those. And there's also a brand new puzzle that goes along with this. And it has a smaller version of that biology book. But this is one of our puzzles. This is a 300 piece. Again, look how pretty this is. And it goes from bacteria to mammals. Another fun thing to add into your day. Last but not least, we have chapter books that go along with science this year. It's great. These are the Bear Grylls chapter books. Look, this is the Cave Challenge, the Earthquake Challenge, the Jungle Challenge. So you can see this goes along with weather, with terrain and biomes. These are so great to add into your reading, for quiet time reading. These are great books. I love Bear Grylls. We watch his show a lot. So having these on hand is really great. So again, that is just a few of the many resources that Usborne Books and More has for the science strand of classical conversations. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.